Captain's log, star date.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
There seems to be a lot of tension on the ship after everything we've been through. But two of them are soon about to find out that working together may be the only way to get through this on this ship.
I always wondered, do you always hit and hide behind the sports field? And you always had that girl ponytail? At least I have hair. Enough. Both of you, get out of here now. Hey, Doctor.
Guess it's that time again.
Just like clockwork. What are you doing here?
Don't worry about it.
Doctor, can you check to see if he's got another bug? Or is he just a bug brain?
Can you check to see if he is a she?
That's it!
Let him go! Let him go now! Take your fight out of my sick bay!
Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the starship Chattanooga. Its ongoing mission to seek out new life and new civilizations, hoping we don't get our butts kicked. And to boldly go where no one has gone before, and hopefully back in time for supper.
We have arrived, Captain.
Any M-class planets?
The fourth planet is M-class. No life forms detected.
Would you like me to assemble an away team?
You couldn't fight your way through a pack of Canadian dogs.
You could jumpstart Antonian Land Cruiser.
Enough! We're going to send them two down.
Sir?
You have a hearing problem?
You two, that transport to room 7 immediately for an exploration assignment. Do I have to go with him?
You have your orders, Sparks.
What the hell?
What is this, some kind of joke?
This is your fault. You probably set the transporter to do this.
Why would I use these things to be stuck here with you?
Should I check on them, Captain?
No, let them be. Maybe they'll learn to work together.
Good luck with that. Sparks is not the easiest or the smartest to work with.
Every member of this crew has value. Don't you forget that.
Yes, Byron, I know. He needs not to rely on his maintenance abilities and learn how to throw a punch.
Not everyone is meant to be a warrior, Draven.
Good point.
Just like everyone doesn't know how to fix shields or modify shields or fix engines.
Good point.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
One of your friends?
Prepare for your destruction.
Come this way, you idiots.
This way, Sparkface.
I lost contact with the away team.
What happened?
Something is blocking our scanners.
From where?
It appears to be coming from the planet.
See if you can penetrate it.
Yes, Captain.
I say we just bash it to death.
With what?
Your head.
Maybe it has an off switch.
Oh yeah, we're gonna run right up to it and hope it don't kill us before we can turn it off.
I wish you had an off switch.
Humans are so stupid.
You let that back of the boats talk to us like that?
Any luck?
Not yet, but I'm still working on it, sir.
You're nothing but a garbage can on wheels.
That's it, make it mad, stone brains.
I can force you the best stupid human.
Oh, they don't make robots like they used to. I bet you can't even hit that rock right there.
I accept your challenge, human.
Stone, you distract it while I get behind it and try to shut it off.
Deal.
Progress report.
Still working on it, Commander.
I sure hope they didn't kill each other.
Hey, Rough Bucket, over here. Hey, robot, you couldn't even hit a starship.
Is that an order, Stone?
Yeah, we showed that Rough Bucket. Whew. Good work. Good work.
You too, Gray.
Maybe you can teach me some things about mechanics.
Only if you teach me some combat moves.
Cause I got friends in low places where the whiskey drowns and the beer chases my blues away. And I'm okay.
Sir, the interference is gone, and I have the away team on my scanners.
Beam them up at once.
How do things go down there, Spark Plug Brain?
You don't talk to him like that. There's your first lesson in combat.
Is there a problem, gentlemen?
No, sir.
I expect a report on my desk at 2200 hours.
Yes, sir.
Selena, do you copy?
Yes, drone. What is your status?
I'm getting closer to finding it.
Once you find it, wait until they reach Earth for their refit, then transport down and await the drone. We have on Earth for further instructions.
Yes, Selena.
I always wondered, you always hit and hide behind your force field?
Cut.
I forgot my mind. Hey, doctor.
Yes, it's that time again.
Just like clockwork. Hey, doctor.
Yes, it's that time again.
Just like clockwork. What are you doing here?
Don't worry about it.
You say doctor, maybe you should
I
check
died.
my again.
Hey, doctor.
Yes, it's that time again.
Just like clockwork. What are you doing here?
Don't worry about it.
Doctor, check and see if he's got another bug in him, like last time, or if he's just a bug brain.
And check and see if he is really a she.
That's it.
Let him go. Let him go now. Take your bite out of my sick bay.
Hey, Doctor.
Guess it's that time again.
Just like clockwork. What are you doing here?
Don't worry about it.
Now I'm walking.
Yeah.
Where am I supposed to walk then?
We have arrived, Captain.
Any M-class planets?
The fourth planet is in class. No life.
I was ready too, man.
I was too.
We have arrived, Captain.
Any M-class planets?
The fourth planet is in class. No life force detected.
Would you like me to see it? Where did I get that?
We have arrived, Captain.
Any M-class planets?
The fourth planet is in class. No life force detected.
Would you like me to send more away to you?
Couldn't fight your way through a pack of candidated dogs.
You could jump short of Fontania Land Cruiser.
Never mind. We're sending them to.
Sir?
Each have a hearing problem?
Go to transporter room 7 for, let's see. Can't get that word, man.
Rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling.
Can't get that word.
Thanks a lot.
Looks like, they're gonna keep reading.
What the hell?
Is this some kind of joke?
You probably said this. Give that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, Byron, I know you need to. I can't do it too long.
You said long.
I say we bash it to death.
With what?
Your head.
Maybe it has an off switch.
And we'll hope that it doesn't shoot us before we get up to it.
I wish you had an off switch.
Humans are so stupid.
We can just bash it to death.
Cut.
What does it say on there?
Menu.
It say recorder turned off, but my bass sounds weird.
Alright, let's do it again.
Hit the button once and hear the sound. Any luck?
Not yet, but I'm still working on it, sorry.
You're nothing but a garbage can on wheels.
That's it, make it mad, stone brains.
Our employees use the Trex, you stupid humans.
Oh my god!
I won't get that really cat once in a row.
I bet you can't even hit that cat right there. You're nothing but a garbage can on wheels.
That's it, make it mad, stone brains.
Cut.
How do things go down there, Sparkplug brain?
You don't talk to him like that.
There's your first lesson in self-defense.
Is there a problem here, gentlemen?
No, sir.
I expect a report. I wonder if I even got in there.
You should have been in quicker, I think.
Yeah.
Because he stood there with
I
his,
should have came in that way too.
and he stood there with his fist drawn forever.
Yeah. Let me read this one.
It says the three remaining.
Yellowheart draws back fist, then I'll walk in, right?
Good spar spray, I've set the report on the flames of 2021.
Well, it's the report saying.
I knew it was screwed up. That's why.
And what did I say? What did I?
Jetty, when he says Sparks, here's your first lesson. You know how I draw my fist back? As soon as he's done saying that, you should walk in.
Right.
And his first lesson in what? It's not self-defense, but what?
Combat.
Combat. That's right.
So with you there, I know I can set myself up better.
How many times are I going to phone up? You got a toast again.
Yeah. We're gonna be drunk and just faking the scene.
Y'all ready?
Yep.
Yeah.